Hey guys, come with me to Food for Less where I'll show you how to make some delicious basil fried rice. It's just me picking up the ingredients. I think there's some red chili pepper sauce. And I'm right there trying to decide which soy sauce to get because I really don't like soy sauce, but it came out pretty good with that one. Then I gotta go to this section to get the rice. You have to get the jasmine rice. And remember, when you cook the rice, it has to be cold before you add it to the meal. Those are my ingredients. That's my yum yum sauce I use for the rice. But I think I was supposed to get some other type of peppers, but I didn't want to make it too hot, so I just got those things. This is just me boiling my rice, my jasmine rice. I did use the whole bag. I have to feed a family of 8. And it was just enough. We had a lot, actually. This is going to be my first time making jasmine rice. The basil fried rice also. But it did come out pretty good. I only use chicken for my rice, but I think when they make it at the Chinese restaurant, they use chicken and shrimp. I did not have any shrimp, but next time I will be adding shrimp too. This is the chili sauce you add in with the garlic also. You mix that in together, and I guess if you get those peppers I did not get, you add it all together. It's me struggling to get it out the jar because it's kind of thick. They say use just regular minced garlic, but my garlic had parsley inside of it, so can't really tell the difference, so I just had to use that also. Then you just gotta mix it up, set it to the side until you're ready to add it into the rice. That's me cooking my chicken. Don't talk about my ugly pot. That pot is used and abused, old as hell, but it works. I actually got some new dishes I want to use, some Rachel Ray dishes. My auntie bought me. They're nice and brand new. I'm going to be doing a video about those soon. You add in those diced, something like those scallions, some type of, I guess those onions they use, but you add those in. Then you're going to see me adding in, back in the chili sauce, all that stuff, and then add that in there. Then after we mix up all those ingredients, I'm going to add in the egg, washed eggs. I think I used like 3 eggs. You see the red chili sauce had it like kind of watery, but it ended up cooking pretty good. After I cook the egg, that's when I add it back in my cold rice. Remember, the rice has to be cold. And my daughter was sad and talking about, yeah, that's too much, but that whole pot was gone, 10 minutes flat. But like I said, next time I will be adding shrimp, it would have been tasting extra good. And then up next, you're going to see me adding in my soy sauce. I added a lot of soy sauce, but when you think you added too little, add more. Just to make it wet, because it's a lot of rice. And I can't cook rice. I always use mini rice, but that was real rice, so anywho, it came out good enough for me. Then I'm going to add in my basil. I'm trying to cook a little different this year, make some dishes other than what us black folks always usually eat. And this came out pretty good. And now I'm just mixing up all my ingredients. Make sure everything is very well mixed. I think I'm going to add those peppers next time too. Those hot peppers. The little thingies that I didn't get. And that's me putting in my little bowl, my yum yum sauce. That's a generic can, but it's all tastes the same to me. If you ever been to Hibachi or Woo's house, they have this sauce called yum yum sauce they put on their rice. Oh my God, it's so good. And they sell this sauce at Food for Less, Walmart, wherever. But yep, there it is. Thai basil fried rice. Came out pretty good. Hey, wait,